Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to uninstall software update on Android phone. Alright guys, let's get into it. If we want to uninstall software update on our Android phone, we have to reset our Android phone. So first of all, we have to go to the settings application. And after we have the settings application opened, we have to scroll down until we find the general management setting. This one, just click on general management setting. And here you have to select the reset option. Okay. And there will be some options for you, and you have to select the factory data reset. Okay, and you can scroll down to find the reset button. Then you can click on this reset button to reset your phone. And once you reset your Android phone, the software update on your Android phone will be uninstalled, and your phone will be back to its default system or its default state. Alright guys, and that's how we can uninstall software update on Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.